What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. So if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So today we are going to react to Mariel and JM De La Serna's performance sa kanilang reimagined A Symphony of Love. This is part 3 ng aking reaction video sa kanilang mga concert medleys. Okay, so ito ay reggae medley. Ewan ko kung ano yung mga reggae music or songs na kakantahin nila dito. But I'm very excited because I do love reggae music. It gives that island tropical vibe. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok. Okay, let's go.
Itong bulong na doon, no? Kung alam niyo bulong, please sing it.
Ooh. So reggae version ng Yellow na kanta. Oh. It was all yellow. Nice. First time ko makarinig ng reggae version ng Yellow. Nice. Just beautiful harmony as always. Chill na chill lang, di ba? Very relaxed. Chorus. Okay. You know, I love you so. Kinilig yung isa eh. Okay. Ang ganda kasi inaral nila yung mga adlibs na very common sa sa reggae, yung parang mga ganun. Mga ganun. Inaral nila. Nice. Look at the stars. Galing naman ni JM dun. Pakinggan nyo ulit, ha? Look at the stars. Oh. Ang smooth ng transition sa sa next song, Taylor Swift. This medley gives us the idea na talagang versatile sila. Hindi lang sila pambiritan, pang duet, pang ballad, pang chill, pang relax, pang love song na pop, but they can also do reggae. So that's very good kasi nga, 'di ba? Versatility is an asset kasi hindi lahat ng singers versatile, no? Maaaring ang galing niya sa birit, ang galing niya sa R&B, ang galing niya sa pop, pero pag pinakanta mo ng reggae, medyo sablay. Pero sa kanila, obviously, they can do it. Nice. Nice. Present. Woo. Sarap ng blending. Sarap sa ears. Haha. Oh. Tat tat tat. Galing yung drummer din ah. Everything. Gusto ko yung part na yan. It's a love story. Ang galing nung harmony ni Mariel. Sarap sa tenga. Ayan, oh. Ito, week ginawa nilang reggae. Ooh, very interesting, ha? I never thought of making, this song a reggae song. Kasi ang sarap nito sa R&B eh.
Let's go. I don't know what it is that you got to me.
Well, that's refreshing. Crazy way. Nice. Woo. Triple time. Nice. I think sa tatlong nireggae nila na kanta, I think this is my favorite. Amazing. Nice. Ito. Guys, alam nyo ba yung bridge part ng Weak na kanta? Napaka critical, no? Very very yun, no? Pagka nawala ka sa isang note, the possibility of you na mag out of pitch or out of key, talagang malaki yung posibilidad, no? Tapos gagawin mo pa siyang reggae. Man, that's hard. That's really hard. The day amazing. Nice. Ah, nice. Nice. I love that. Yung bam. Ayan. Tapos, very nonchalant yung expression sa mukha nila. Nice gimmick, no? Anyway, that was very refreshing to listen to, no? Kasi I think this is the first time na narinig ko sila. I don't know about you guys kasi mas updated naman kayo sa akin sa JML, no? But this is the first time na narinig kong kumanta sila ng reggae na genre. And I was actually expecting na mga original reggae songs. Talagang yung mga original na mga reggae ba? Like, ooh, baby, love you way every day. Because that's an original reggae song. Or, bilog na naman ang buwan. Or, halina't sumayaw sa hirap. Mga ganun. No? Pero, ang sa kanila pala is, yung mga pop songs, ginawa nilang reggae. Oh, 'di ba? Unique. Nice one. Hindi ko pa yun nakikita yung sumayaw sila. May dance number daw or dance showdown. Hinahanap ko, hindi ko makita. So, i-comment nyo nga sa baba yung link. Okay? So anyway, that's it. And hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe. And God bless you all.